Hello there, friends, it's Mia. Welcome to episode 4 of my little solo adventure in Singapore. That is Race Course Road, if I am not mistaken. Yan. And then you go in. Nandun yung exit E. Take note, exit lang yun. Entrance is at the other exits. Pag diniretso mo yan, may way going to Mustafa Center and yung may Don Don Donki, and then right on the side. And there's a little area there. If you go through that, papasok pa doon, that's going to Teka Center. That's it. I stay here in Little India. It's been nice. I really wanted to explore it and I was able to do just that. So I'm happy, super happy. And it makes me want to visit like the real and that's my room right there. That's that one. That's that one. Yung pangalong. So, pagpasok mo, you have your space for your luggage, and then you have a safe, and then there's also a fridge down there. And then there are 2 beds. I used this for napping kahapon, and then that's where I slept. By the way, we are on the first floor. This is room 105. And then there's like a lounge chair over here, right below the TV. Yung TV, tatlo lang yung channels. So you have windows since we're on the first floor. There's a door, but it's just fake. You can't go through there. Siguro dati pwede, but now, no. Then there are grills on the window. You can't really open the window. You just open itong shutters niya. Okay. And you view outside. Let me show you. So I close this the whole time. Ngayon ko lang siya inopen. Just for the light. And daming outlets. There's a desk there. And then with the mirror. Okay. And then the beds are very comfortable. The sheets are crisp and clean. No stains. And then they provide you with towels. No bathrooms. No bedroom slippers though. Tapos there's a toothbrush and toothpaste. And let's turn on the light. Switches here. And then if you want hot water for your shower, just switch it. I turn it off and I don't use it. There. And the bathroom gets a bit wet kasi walang zocalo to keep the water from going out. And there are hooks here. There are 2 hooks. I'm showing it. There are 2 hooks with an extra roll of tissue, and then there are also 2 hooks here, right by the door. And to be honest, the whole time I didn't even turn on the AC because I don't know saan nanggagaling yung lamig. From outside perhaps, but up until now it's still pretty cold. Hey. Room decor is simple but nice. I find it nice. It's not so perfect because you can see the ceiling is like that, but I don't really mind. So there, I like this place. if I were to stay in this area again, I would stay here, this particular hotel again. Bye for now. Ano ito I earlier said? My house slipper, room slippers, pero hindi yung disposal. I should also mention na merong 100 SGD deposit. So you can either give them cash. Pag cash makukuha mo agad pag check out mo. But if credit card, it takes a week daw. Tama ba? Or 2 weeks. See ya! Yung belt bag. Oh my gosh. Very, very useful. I'll leave my bags first dito tapos mag-ice cream ako. Go get some ice cream. Look at those little outfits. Just gonna keep walking straight here. Okay, ako na yung chocolate. I don't usually order chocolate, but wow, that was good. And I'm going to try the coconut now. Oh wow. Wow, that was good. Oh wow, coconut. Coconut. Yum, 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 yum. Super yum. Check out our new room here at Summerview. So that's the card first. And you enter the flow number. Okay, so I booked a room with a window, but it has no window. I'm gonna complain. Alright, What's up? We're back. Now we're going to the 6th floor. It's 614 this time. Okay. 614. 614. There you go. Here. Oh. Let's do a little room tour. Habang bago pa and clean. Insert card. Okay, so this time I think I need AC kasi sobrang init. TV and the AC control apparently is there. And there's a safe also. And the tiny fridge with nothing. And then on this side, pareho lang naman yung setup, right? But here they have wipes, alcohol wipes. And then beds. And hangers. Hooks. Tapos patungan ng luggage. Then the bathroom door is sliding. That's the door. Mas modern siya, diba? Yung dryer na doon, and then hand soap. There's the dryer. There's the shower. And the toilet. Alright, I'm just gonna freshen up. Ay, my full length mirror. Okay. Hey. Sobrang init na ako. I'm just gonna freshen up before I leave to go watch the race.
Stay tuned to find out what happens next, and in the meanwhile, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Until we meet again, love and light, Mia.